This dance is called Words Fly. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the right foot with some side touches. So you're going to step the right foot to the side, touch the left beside the right, left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Add on a chassé to the right with a touch. So it's a slow chassé, single count timing step, step from the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side, touch that left beside the right. That set of steps once more. Side touch up on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side, close, side, touch. You're going to do a similar set of steps now, but travelling to the left. So you're going to step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, step the right back to the side, touch the left beside the right. Chassé slowly to the left with a quarter turn on the end. So you step the left to the side, right beside the left, quarter turn left as you step that left forward, making sure you have turned your whole body. You're then going to scuff that right, but as you scuff, put a slight hitch in it. That set of steps once more then, side touch off on the left. 7, 8, side, side, close, turn, scuff. Let's add those two sections together. Side touch up on the right. 7, 8, side, side, close, side, side, close, turn, scuff. You're going to walk back 3 steps. That right's in the hitch position, scuff hitch position, so we're going to go back on that right. So you go back right, left, right, then hitch the left. So with these hitches, you're just literally lifting that left knee up. You're then going to add on a slow coaster step. So you step back on that left, step the right beside the left, step the left forward, and then scuff the right through. That set of steps once more then, walking back on that right. 7, 8, back, hitch, coaster, step, scuff. Let's add that to the top. Side touch up on the right. 7, 8, side, side, close, side, touch, side, close, turn, scuff. Back, hitch, coaster, step, scuff. Step forward on that right, scuff the left. Step forward on the left, scuff the right. Then add on a rocking chair. So you rock forward on that right, recover your weight on the left, rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left. So important with your rocking chairs that that right foot moves from the front to the back. That set of steps once more then, step, scuff off on the right. 7, 8, step, scuff, rocking chair. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Side touch on the right. 7, 8, side touch, side, close, side touch, side, close, turn, scuff. Back, hitch, coaster, step, scuff, rocking chair. So that is your dance. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I am going to speed it up just a little bit as we go around the walls. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8, side touch, side, close, side touch. scuff, step, scuff, rocking chair. Side touch, side, close, side touch, side close, turn, scuff. Back, hitch, coaster, step, scuff, rocking chair. The side touch, side close, side touch, side close, turn, scuff. Back, hitch, coaster, step, scuff, rocking chair. So that's your dance. Now there is a little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 6, which is your 9 o'clock wall. You're going to do 3/4 of the dance, so 24 counts, and you'll be restarting facing the back wall. So you will have just done your coaster step with your scuff, and then you restart. So let's take you up to 24 counts, wall 6, and restart. Side touch is off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side close, side touch, side close, turn, scuff. Back, hitch, coaster, step, scuff. Restart, side touch, side close, side touch. So hopefully you can see how that restart fits in. 24 counts into wall 6. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side touch, side close, side touch, side close, turn, scuff. Back, hitch, coaster, step, scuff, rocking chair. Side touch, side close, side touch, side close, turn, scuff. Back, hitch, coaster, step, scuff, rocking chair. Side touch, side close, side touch, side close, turn, scuff. Back, hitch, coaster, step, scuff, rocking chair. Side touch, side close, side touch, side close, turn, scuff. Back, hitch, coaster, step, scuff, rocking chair. Side touch. Side touch. Back. Step scuff. Side touch to restart wall. Side touch. Back. Restart. Side touch. Side touch. Back. Step scuff. Side touch. Side touch. Back.
dream come true. If we choose them wisely, there's no telling what they can do. Words fly like an arrow in an open sky, like a sparrow in the summertime. Whether it's the truth or a low down lie, words fly. Won't you send them off on the wind? You can never get them back again, no matter how hard you try. Words fly. Words fly.
Hope you managed that one.